Clark and Cumberland, and Vigo, Indiana. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. You are listening to NOAA weather radio, all hazards, station KS. Number 220, effective until 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties: Illinois, Clark, Cole, Cumberland, Douglas and Edgar, and Vigo, Indiana. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The time is currently 10:06 a.m. National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Moultrie County, Piatt County, southwestern Champaign County, western Douglas County, southeastern Macon County until 11 a.m. At 10:20 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Cisco to near Long Creek to near Bethany, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Cerro Gordo, Bethany, Lovington, Hammond, and Cisco around 10:25 a.m. Monticello and Beeman around 10:30 a.m. Arthur, Atwood, Ipesdale, and Whiteheath around 10:35 a.m. Seymour around 10:40 a.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Mohammed, Bonneville, Sadorus, Lake of the Woods, Champaign, Tuscola, Tolono, Pasodum, and Willard Airport. This includes the following highways: Interstate 57 between mile markers 207 and 208, and between mile markers 220 and 237. Interstate 72 between mile markers 151 and 182. Interstate 74 between mile markers 173 and 179. The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Vigo County, Indiana, northwestern Clay County, Indiana, Park County, Indiana, Vermilion County, Indiana, until 1:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Chrisman to 7 miles west of Terre Haute, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Terre Haute, Brazil, Clinton, Rockville, Newport, West Terre Haute, Fairview Park, Selleville, Montezuma, Knightsville, Rosedale, Harmony, Dana, Staunton, Carbon, Universal, Mecca, Bloomingdale, Marshall, and Bridgeton. This includes Interstate 70 between mile markers 1 and 9. You are listening to NOAA. National Weather Service in Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning. southwestern Clayton County, Indiana, until 8:30. At 7